Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a mode on Samsung. First we have to open up settings, and here it opens up in this menu. From here just go to modes and routines, and here at the bottom of the screen you will find this plus sign. You just tap on it. Here you can add a name for your mode, select color, select a symbol, then you just tap on done. And here you can customize what this mode does. So for example, you can set the duration of it. You can set it to turn on automatically when you open an app, when the Bluetooth device is connected. You can set a time period, and you can set a place even. Here you can set what this mode does. So you can turn on do not disturb mode or restrict app usage while this mode is on. And you can also add other actions as well. That's basically it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.